Okay, let us also welcome with a round of applause the Lupuk Central School Band. Palakpakan natin ang ating band ng Lupuk Elementary School.
Kapit na nalalarbit tayo mo.
Okay, I would like to acknowledge, of course, the presence also of our Philippine National Police Chief, OIC Police Captain Brian Cholios Abiliar. Thank you so much, sir. Likewise, the Bureau of Fire Protection, Fire Marshal Fire Inspector Henry Rebamonte, sir, Bureau of Fire. And of course, the BGMP G1 Acting Warding